Today I'd like to share with you a wonderful resource for you to use. It's called Quizlet.com. Quizlet is a website that you can interact with in making flashcards to help you review or study any subject that you have learned about, and even as flashcards that you can use that other people have created and have posted on the website itself. Today, this little tutorial will cover the following areas. 1. It will show you how to sign up for a free account on Quizlet.com. Number 2, it will show you how to search out subjects for flashcards. Number 3, it will also show you how to make your own flashcards based on what you've learned. Number 4, it will show you games and related activities that you can use using that information. And the last one is to make sure that you understand the fact that you can share the work that you've done in creating your flashcards with other users on Quizlet.com. Before we even start, let's just review the internet safety rules. As I'm sure you already know, you should never give out your username and or password to anybody, and we encourage only the parents and guardians sign you up for any online service, including Quizlet.com. Once you go to the home page of Quizlet.com, you'll see a place where you can sign up for a free Quizlet account. Once you type in your username and password, the name of your account will appear on top, which indicates that you have successfully logged in to your account. The next thing we are going to do is show you how to search for flashcards that are already posted by other people on Quizlet.com. There are several places once you are at the home page that you can find flashcards that are already made, and even do a keyword search to search for flashcards that apply to your specific topic. By clicking Find Flashcards, you will see a multitude of different categories of which you can find your flashcards or any flashcards that you're looking for, depending on whatever topic you are searching for. If you or your class are, for example, in a math class and you're learning about multiplication, you can also go to search flashcard sets and type in a keyword. Once again, if I am learning, for example, about multiplication, I could type in the word multiplication and click search, and once again I will find a whole bunch of different flashcards that other people have created that I can use to learn my basic multiplication facts. Once I have chosen which flashcard set I want out of the thousands that are listed on this website, all I have to do is click on the flashcard set that I want, and it pulls up the flashcard. For example, this one is 3 times 3. All I have to do is click to flip, and it will tell me 9. And I use the arrow to go to the next card. 3 times 4 equals 12. And to check myself, I just click to flip, and once again, there it is. While there are thousands and thousands and thousands upon flashcard sets already created out there, you can create your own. And let me show you how to do that. From the home page, you will see where it says Make Flashcards. All you have to do is click on that, and then you could assign a title to your set of flashcards. For example, I will call this one Multiplication of 2s and 5s. Once you have assigned a title to your flashcard set, just scroll down to enter your flashcards, choose a language, English, and choose English. Once you've set the language, it's as easy as simply typing in each side of the flashcard. For example, 2 times 5, and over on the other side, entering the answer of 10. Then, for example, 5 times 7, and entering the answer of 35, and so on and so forth. Once you've done this, all you have to do is go down, and you will see the Create Set. It will save it, and your flashcards are ready to use. I'm going to uncheck both sides because I want to see just one side at a time. 2 times 5 is 10. Once again, 2 times 5 is 10, and I encourage the children to go over these several times. Going to the next card, you simply use the arrow right here, and 35. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 7, 35, and so on and so forth. Once you have made your flashcards, it's easy to do some of the online activities that are also associated on this website. Let me show you some of those. Once again, here are some of the flashcards that I've created, and I've created some more that are about the 2s and 5s. If you look up here, you have the options of studying. You can do a speller, learn, test, play certain games such as Scatter or Space Race. One of the games that my students really enjoy is the game Scatter. So if I click on that, and if I click Start, the children have to sort of match up the basic fact term with the answer. So 2 times 9 is 18, and when I drag it over to there, 18 will disappear. 2 times 2 is 4, and the 2 times 2 and the 4 will disappear as well. Last but not least, I think it's important for other people to be able to see the hard work that you put into making your own flashcards. So please don't forget to share. And once again, all they have to know is either your username, or they can simply know what you simply called your set of flashcards. Once you are back on the home page of Quizlet.com, all you have to see is where it says Make Flashcards, or you can simply type in the name of the flashcards that you created. If you click on multiplication of 2s and 5s, then the flashcards that you or anybody else can later get is simply listed right here in order for you to review and to learn and to add to as you start to learn your multiplication facts more and more each time you study them. So now that we've learned about Quizlet.com, I hope you can see the many, many, many ways it can be used. Like I said, remember your internet safety rules and start using Quizlet.com today. It's a great website that will surely help you remember all those wonderful concepts you've been learning about in class.